In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can use a bevel and a scriber to mark out the position for our cutout in this board to go around this obstacle in relation to this last board that we have placed. We don't have the option of doing a cutout on this board anywhere we want, so we can't adjust it up or down this way. It's dictated to us by this last board that we've put in. So we have our board, the next board that's going to go in. We position it one row back this way out of place. I'm going to line up this edge of the laminate here with this edge of the laminate there. And I've lined up this long edge as well. The next thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to use the scriber. Now this scribing board is obviously a cut-off, an offcut of this laminate here. This is Quick-Step Ligner. I've removed the tongue. This enables me to slide it up and down with ease along this board that's on top. Because we want, or in this scenario, I want an expansion gap of about 8 mil, I'm going to use an 8 mil chock. You can use a 12 mil chock, whatever chock size you want. So we're going to slide this scriber along, and I'm going to place that chock. And I'm going to I'm going to slide that along until the corner, this corner, not the locking system corner, but the top edge of the laminate is touching this edge. Then I'm going to transfer a line here. Now, what's going to happen is this corner, when we do the cutout and put this board one row back in this place, that point there is going to end up right there where that corner is there. So that's what we're doing, is we're marking our reference point of where this angle goes off in this direction. So that's going to be the start of where our cut is. So we're going to do the same thing on this other side. And mark the line. Okay, so we have two reference points. We also need another reference point. Our third reference point is going to be the edge of the laminate here or here. We're going to reference that with the handle of the bevel. Then, for this vertical surface of our obstacle, we're going to determine the angle. So the angle in relation to this edge of the laminate. Tighten off our bevel, bring it over. Going to reference that edge because this edge is the same as that edge. Slide it along till we hit that mark, and then mark the line. Now we're going to reference this edge once more with the handle of the bevel, but this time we're going to find out what that angle is of that side of the obstacle. We can now bring that over. We'll reference that edge, slide it along till we get to that mark that we put on the board. Transfer that line. All right, so there you have it. I've marked two reference points. I've then referenced this edge with the bevel, and then found the angle in relation to the obstacle. So I've just got a couple of cuts to do, and I'll bring that back. All right, so I've done the two cuts required. Let's see how it fits. Nice snug fit, so it's a definite 8 mil gap. And that's also an 8 mil gap. So there you have it. Bevel, scriber, and a couple of chocks and a pencil. We don't need a tape measure. Tape measures can be inaccurate, and they can be a little bit fiddly and slow.